What's up, guys? Welcome back to the fucking video, well, to the channel. Right now we'll be driving to go pick up Jaime. We're gonna go to Ojos Locos. Me, my little brother, and my cousin Andrew. And vlog a little bit, kind of on the way there. Try to do a POV drive right now. Other than that, let's get right to the video. I mean, I'm not too sure or too good at filming right now. Like, when I'm still learning all the whole thing with the camera, because for many years, me being on YouTube now, God, I've been on YouTube for about 8 years, and my 8 years, this is my first time using a full-on camera. And yeah, I'm pretty new at this. Let me buckle up real quick. I'm pretty new at this, so don't discriminate me on this part. I'm still very much learning on how to control this. You know what I mean? Still learning how to control this and get myself right on how to do this right. So yeah, it should be good. I'll catch y'all when we get to Jaime's house. Go with it, brother. Oh yeah. Go with it, bro. Hey, brother. Rev it. Rev it, brother. Rev it. Oh yeah. I like your bike, brother. Fuck with that. Hey, what's up, John? Hey, what's up, brother? Look at that. What you doing, bro? Okay, new whip? Yes, sir. Alright, guys, a little bit of a cruising downtown, kind of late night vibes, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, that's this POV, I guess. Not the best lighting I can have right now. Try my best to have it. I don't know which way you guys want me to have it. It's kind of more of a POV look in my eyes right here, like right here is. So. I'm very far back as I can be. I mean, yeah, man. I mean, it's been a kind of cruising. Went to go eat at Ojos Locos. Went to go eat there. And then we grew up for a little bit. I mean, we honestly sat there and chilled for like a couple hours. And, you know, it'd be kind of hard to vlog in there how loud it is, and all the music playing, and like the people drinking, talking, all that shit. You know what I mean? So yeah. So right now we're just cruising downtown a little bit. Fucking now we're about to go meet up at a McDonald's. I know it's closed right now, so we'll probably take some pictures over there. Waiting for Andrew and all that to meet up with us. But, you know, it's been some cool rides, bro. Some cool rides. See some homies here. But yeah, it's just a little bit of a POV, nighttime, Sunday cruise type of shit. And I mean, I really do. I really am grateful for everyone that's been liking the videos. And honestly, the last video we have, I think it's like at 1,200 views right now. That's fucking awesome. So appreciate that. Let's get the views going up. Everyone that watches it, subscribe to the channel. If you're new, we're gonna be doing more of these videos where we do POVs, night drives. We're gonna be doing more of the car meets and all that shit. And I don't know, this week it was kind of like dead for car meets just because it was raining a lot and it's really cloudy. So I think this next weekend it should be good. Thursday should be probably good too as well. We usually have, like, I guess, like car meets on that day too. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty lit. Other than that, I mean, it's been a good day, honestly. Y'all tell me how you guys' day been. Put a comment below. It's gonna be uploaded hopefully probably like by Tuesday or Wednesday, and then we'll be filming again. Yeah, this weekend or either be filming this weekend or be filming like on Thursday maybe for a car meet. But yeah, like I said, these videos are all about my daily life, the car scene, I mean, gym, hang out with friends, just everything. I mean, I really do like, I feel like these car videos I can do really good, more or less than anything else. So we'll try to make this whole channel about it, about the whole cars and all that shit. So yeah, so I'll catch up when we get to the McDonald's. Well, actually, here's that Andrew right behind me. Y'all can see him. He's right there. Yep. Andrew right here. Fix your parking. I hate we don't do it right.
I am. Chill out.
McDonald's. It's like about 11 o'clock right now. So photos of the cars and shit. You did it right when I turned it off too. Right when I was done recording. You did it right when I was done recording. Of course. So we in the McDonald's after hours, bro.
I was like, is that my kid? Yeah, it was my son.
It was me.
We're in here after hours type shit.
So, you want some, please?
Andrew. Huh?
I got a Powerade.
Powerade. You want Powerade?
Yeah, Powerade. That'd be nice. Thank you.
The mood's ruined now, bro.
After hours in the McDonald's, gang. The lobby's closed. We still getting. Oh, right there on the camera. Look.
Switch on us.
Damn, that's crazy.
They don't know clip over each other? We have to wait. We'll be switching right now.
Yeah, look. Yeah. Okay, you right.